Hey everyone, welcome back to Mickey Oo's Messing with Resin. My name is Mickey and let's get to messing. I'm in the mood for another bloom today, so that's what we're going to do. I have this is called the Magical Mold by Molds and Shapes. It's got this pretty little ornate edge to it. I've mixed up 10 ounces of the HeyClear Super Clear Resin. And I mix it for 4.5 minutes, put it in my debubbler for 10. Yes, 10 minutes, and we are sitting at 33 degrees, which is nice. We're getting ready to decant that right now. Oops, sorry. I didn't mean to shake the camera. Today, the colors we're using are Sun. This is an Octopus Fluids resin ink by Octopus Fluids, of course. I'm also using an alcohol ink in Caramel or Caramel. How do you say it? Let me know. And then we're also using this resin ink in Lemon. And just so you know, if you're in the United States, you can get Octopus Fluids inks from Laura's Art Corner. And you can use my discount code and save yourselves 10% off. So make sure you check that out. And for our bloom today, we are using the Satori White by EyeCandy. And let's get going. So let me go ahead and measure out. I'm going to do 25 grams. Can you see my scale? 25 grams here for my white. Whoops, I got carried away. I think I blinked. Sure. Shoot, sure. Well, let's do 30. Okay, so with the rest, I'm going to go ahead and try and gently pour this into the mold, trying to avoid any extra bubbles since I just spent 10 minutes removing them in the Airless Pro. So, just trying to go around nice and easy, especially around those edges where the bubbles like to gather. I'm not going to fill this all the way up. Which leaves me a bunch left over to do something fun with. Not that this isn't fun, this is super fun. I love doing this. There's a couple of bubbles in the bottom there. Bring those to the top so they can pop. Just checking around here. All right, I think that looks pretty. Oh, I saw you, sneaker. Alright, now I think it looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and start. I have mixed up just a little bit of some bronze, crushed glass, and some gold flake here, and we're going to use that for our center. Let's go ahead and see if I can get this off. And don't worry about the stain on the mold. It's a stain. It's not going to come out or affect the outcome of this pour. The last time I used some bits in the center, they bled and left a stain on my mold. So that was that. Oh, sugar. See, I did it. Come on, baby. Scooch on over. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. Does that look pretty good? Maybe come down this way a little. Is that? Oh, that's pretty nice. I guess it looks okay. Close enough. Alright, for starters, I put those in and created some bubbles. Pop those real quick. And I'm going to do a couple of drops of lemon right in the middle. This is the resin ink. It's more concentrated than an alcohol ink. doesn't have as much alcohol in it. So then I'm going to put just a couple drops of the caramel right on top of that and hope that it spreads out a little bit. See, look at that pushing out. Very cool. It's taking a little bit of gold flake with it, but that's okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and go around that with this one. I'm going to do, this is just, that was for the middle. The Sunlight, which is an alcohol ink, Octopus fluids. We're going to go ahead and go around the edge here. I'm going to do 1 drop, 2 drops, and 1 drop, 2 drops. Super bright, isn't it? All right, and then I'm going to do some caramel right in the middle. That made it a change of plans now, didn't it? All right, I think that looks pretty good. We'll let that do its thing. Let's get our white mixed up. So I have my Satori white. I have 30 grams of resin. So I'm just going to take, just that much. See? Let's start with that and see what we get. Some of this will stick on ours, will stick to the stick. So as we're mixing and scraping, I'm going to scrape the stick off. Okay, grab that, mix it in. You can see we can still see through our stick, which is nice. We don't want it to be too heavy or too opaque. But here's the thing. This is where the fun comes in. I'm going to add 1 drop of this Sun resin ink by Octopus Fluids. 1 drop. I actually might add a 2nd drop. I want it just a little darker than that. Now, I've never actually colored my white paste before, so this is a first for me. I have seen it done. Oh, look at, isn't that pretty? That's a pretty color. Oh, yeah. Still translucent, and that's good. All right, so let's get this stuff put away. Get our lids on. I'll get this in the piping bag, and when I come back, we'll be ready to go ahead and pipe. All right, guys, we are back. I'm ready to pipe this in. Let's do some squiggly lines. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. What do you think? Pretty even. Doesn't look too bad. And I have some left. I knew I wasn't going to need all of that, so that's okay. So let's take our stick here. I see a blobby. Let's kind of bring him in. You're not going to see that middle much, but all right. Shall we draw? Let's come in right here. Right to the middle. Let's do the same thing right here. To the middle. So yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do. Maybe just come out the big ones here. Just barely. All right, that is it for it. I'm gonna let this do its thing. I got enough room. We're gonna do a top coat when it's done. So stick around, folks. We'll be back. And I'm back, and this is cured. I went ahead and put a blue background on it. I used the deep blue hyacinth, and I did mix a little bit of black in that because I wanted it to be really dark, but look at how pretty that blue is. Isn't that gorgeous? I know you're getting the reflection of, oh, there's my window. Hey, okay. Let's see how she looks here. Now remember, this was the bloom that I put a little bit of resin ink in. So let's see how it looks. Ooh, oh, look at that. I do love that dark background. Background. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Those blooms came out nice. Yeah, I like it. You can see a little bit of difference with where the alcohol ink is, and then you can see the outer petals are just a tinge of color in there. Oh, it's pretty. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you so much, you guys, at least for just being here and watching all the way through. Watching all the way through. The videos help my channel, helps the algorithm, helps me get seen, helps YouTube push me out to more viewers, and so does your likes and comments. So I would appreciate if you could give me a like, give me a comment in down below, and don't forget to subscribe, of course. So until we meet again, y'all, see ya.